doing MBA is okay, but doing MBA with a wrong specialization can screw an entire career. I think that credit should go to the faculties out here.
Absolutely.
Nice.
He's lined up, and I just wanted to see the process, so I appeared for the placement process, and on that day itself I got
placed.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to this session. I've got Rishabh with me, non-engineer. I've done e-business from Welingker, Bangalore. ये काफी special category होती है by the way, non-engineer. BCom मेरे ख्याल से applied economics से अलग फंडा है. And जब मैंने इसको पूछा था, are you fresher? He's like, मैं एकदम complete fresher, एकदम शुद्ध fresher, right? Only internship he has done. So Rishabh, welcome on board. Yeah, thank you so much for giving some time. I would love to know where you're from, what's your profile, and how you landed in Welingker, Bangalore.
So I'm from Bihar. My schooling has been done in Madhya Pradesh.
Okay.
And I did my graduation in BCom, that is Bachelor of Commerce in Applied Economics. And when I was, graduating, when I was appearing for the semester exams and all, then I got inclination towards management because my father is in corporate, and I have been exposed to that. Seeing the people who have done MBA and excelling in their lives, in their career as well.
Right.
So it was quite, I was inclined towards it and I wanted to do it. So I joined one coaching, the offline coaching, and there I was able to, prepare and got my strength. I got to know my strength. I have a analytically bent mindset. So was able to perform really good at Quants, LRDI and all. And then it was 2020 when I started appearing for the exams.
Okay.
The first one was CAT.
So you had a gap year or something?
Yeah.
1 year gap year.
Yeah.
That's the point that you should note. Gap year के साथ भी बंदे ने फोड़ा है. बाद में स्टोरी बताएंगे. प्लेसमेंट भी हो चुका है. काफी स्मार्ट है. Continue.
Yeah. So I appeared for CAT exam. It was slot 3, I remember, and that year, the paper pattern was completely changed.
It was havoc. Slot 3 to 2020 was like
my slaughterhouse.
Slaughterhouse.
Yeah.
Right.
So I was doing quite good.
2020 ना?
Yeah, 2020.
हम बैठे हैं 2023, है ना? भाई 3-4 साल के बाद भी उसको उसकी feelings देखो. He still remembers that. Continue.
Yeah, so it was a slaughterhouse. When the pattern changed, I also gave mocks based on that pattern,
right.
And I was able to score more than 55 to 60. It was going quite good, and I was hoping that I'll be able to get somewhere approximately decent score. But it was not that good. It did not stand on my expectations, and I ended up with approximately 80. That is somewhere around 78%, to be precise. And after that, I used to watch your videos, and your motivation kept me going. And then I decided, why not, if you have prepared so much, let's appear for another exam as well.
Makes sense.
And then I appeared for NMAT, which is conducted by NMIMS GMAT. So I appeared in that exam also. It took me 2 retakes. 2 retakes as in one the main one and another one is the retake one.
Right.
Yeah. So in the first one I was able to score 210, and after that I was able to score more than 240. I exactly don't remember the exact score.
That's okay.
Yeah. So that at that point of time my hopes were really high.
कि हो जाएगा.
Yeah, I'll be able to do things, whatever the colleges I'm targeting. So after that, I applied from that exam also, and CAT was also there. So was able to clear XIMB, not the core one. I got KJ Somaya, NMIMS, not Mumbai but Bangalore and other campuses. Apart from this, BIMTech and all, and Welingker. Yeah, so this has been my journey so far, and when I came here, then I was, really interested in taking up operations because my father is into operations vertical. So it has been like that in trimester 1. But then because you have such good faculties here, they are going to guide you. There are a lot of confusions which students come with here, and then you need the guidance of proper experienced professionals who have excelled in their lives. So I talked to such eminent faculties here, and they guided me. They said that you can take up, you can do really well, but they felt that my personality or shall I say, the kind of person I am, I would be really fit for marketing. And at that
ये
point
बात
of
ना
time,
इम्पोर्टेंट होती है
yeah,
वो मेंटरशिप काफी जरूरी है
Right.
बिकॉज हमें लगता है कि मैं ऑपरेशंस कर लूंगा लाइक
yes sir,
बिकॉज हमारा ड्रीम होता है
Hmm.
पर जब हमें कोई तीसरा बंदा बताता है ना कि नहीं यार ये देख तेरा इवैल्यूएशन ऐसा है और तू मार्केटिंग में चले जा बिकॉज डूइंग एमबीए इज ओके बट डूइंग एमबीए विद अ रॉन्ग स्पेशलाइजेशन कैन स्क्रू एंटायर
Right.
करियर I think that credit should go to the faculties out here.
absolutely.
Nice. Thank you so much for mentioning that, by the way. Continue.
So after that, I took up marketing and just appeared for on the day 1, day 0. The companies lined up, and I just wanted to see the process. So I appeared for the placement process, and on that day itself, I got
placed.
Yeah.
Which company is it?
ICICI Bank.
ICICI Bank. And the rules is something that we are not yet.
Role is yet to be disclosed.
So ICICI को फंडा होता है वो एंड में रोल डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. But as a fresher, getting into ICICI Bank, which is one of the best bank in the country, by the way, and that too again 80 percentile in CMAT, coming to Welingker, Bangalore, bagging the decent placement, which is again a better brand. Are you comfortable disclosing your package?
Yeah.
What sort of package you've got?
It's 11.4.
11.4 and you paid 11 lakhs as a fee, no?
Yes.
मतलब ROI done and dusted, मतलब पूरा पैसा वसूल में.
Yes, I want to mention one thing here. I got in NMIMS other campuses apart from Mumbai, and also there were some other colleges also. The reason was to take admission here in Welingker was return on investment. Like you are paying 11 lakhs and you are getting world class infrastructure, the teachers and everything. And also the peer learning is superb here.
Yeah,
like
the crowd is good.
Yeah, the crowd is really good. They come from different backgrounds, and you get to expose yourself to different things, and learnings also contribute. So all these things are really important.
है ना ये चीज होती है ना यार आप देखो मतलब ये सबके लिए है कि ऐसा नहीं कि परसेंटाइल कम होना मतलब स्टूडेंट इज नॉट गुड है ना कुछ बच्चे कम परसेंटाइल में भी इतने फाड़ होते हैं. They've got great communication skills, they've got great extracurricular activities, they've got good brains है मतलब जितने भी बच्चे अभी तक मैंने इंटरव्यू करे हैं I have seen that your percentile is just one of the procedure to make or break into that B school, but अंदर जाके भाई फाइट तुम्हें करनी है. तो अगर आपकी इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स काफी अच्छी है, अगर आप मेहनती हो, एकेडमिक्स एंड अगेन एप्टीट्यूड इज डिफरेंट एंड एकेडमिक्स इज डिफरेंट, वो दोनों हम मिक्स नहीं कर सकते. सो you have seen Rishabh, you have seen Praniti, you have seen Utkarsh, these guys have nailed it, to be very honest. And fresher है यार, 11.5 लाख में स्टार्ट करा है, 10 साल में तोड़ेगा अच्छे से, है ना? It's a great start, man.
Yes, sir.
Cool, yeah. Thank you so very much for joining in. Yeah. Thanks a lot for the time, and I wish you all the best. हाँ, smart तो अच्छा कर लेगा.
It was great talking to you also.
Same here, man.
I
Same.
used to see your videos and now just talking to you in person is totally a different feeling. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.